going on YouTube? My name is Michael and today I'm going to show you the intercooler resonator delete on the Hyundai Elantra Sport. So basically all the mod does is it takes this pipe and replaces it with a pipe that goes straight through. So it removes all the baffling, which lets the exhaust flow a lot more freely, and it allows the exhaust to actually pop on when you're revving up to like 2,000 or 3,000 RPM, you'll get a pop after that. So I'm going to show you some sound clips now. The first clip you'll see, it's of the car doing a cold start. And then the second clip is me with my GoPro hooked up on the back of the car over here, and just some poles in second and third gear. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching this short video. If you liked what you saw, please feel free to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see on this Elantra Sport. And that's all for now, folks.